Students, now we start with excretion. How do plants or animals or any living organisms they undergo excretion? So students, first of all I'll explain you what is excretion. Excretion मतलब हमारे बॉडी में डे टू डे लाइफ में बहुत सारी मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटीज़ होती है और इन मेटाबॉलिक एक्टिविटीज़ में बहुत सारे हार्मफुल नाइट्रोजीनियस मटेरियल जनरेट होते हैं एंड इट इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी कि हम इन नाइट्रोजीनियस मटेरियल्स को बॉडी में से रिमूव करें एंड द प्रोसेस ऑफ रिमूविंग देम इज कॉल्ड एक्सक्रीशन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, इसके लिए डिफरेंट ऑर्गेनिजम्स दे यूज डिफरेंट स्ट्रेटजीज टू रिमूव द वेस्ट आउट ऑफ द बॉडी. जैसे ये यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिजम्स होते हैं, दे रिमूव द वेस्ट फ्रॉम द बॉडी सिंपली बाय डिफ्यूजन. Simply from the body surface they remove the waste outside. But if you talk about human beings, then we have got a special excretory system for this. अब जो human beings है, हमारा जो excretory system है, it includes a pair of kidneys, there are a pair of ureters, these two are the ureters, there is a urinary bladder, and the opening of urinary bladder is called urethra. The most important organ of excretion is kidney. Now students, you have got two kidneys and they are located on either side of the abdomen. आपका जो बैकबोन है ना, उसके either side पे there is kidney, right? So urine produce होता है kidney में and this urine from the kidney goes into urinary bladder through urethra, through ureter. Ureter is a pipe. So kidney में urine produce होता है, from kidney it goes to urinary bladder through ureter, and when the urinary bladder gets filled with urine, then the urine is passed out of the body through urethra. तो students, अगर एग्जाम में आए explain excretion in human beings, so it's a 3-mark question, figure and this first paragraph is the answer. Now students, how is urine produced? Urine कैसे produce होता है? ठीक है, तो students, urine produce करने का जो main purpose है वो है to filter out waste products from the blood. Blood में से harmful waste products को remove करना. जैसे हम blood में से कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को remove करते हैं in the lungs, in the same way blood में बहुत सारे harmful nitrogenous waste होते हैं, यूरिया, यूरिक एसिड्स, तो इनको भी remove करना है from the kidney. And this is done with the help of a basic filtration unit of kidney which is called nephron. So what is nephron? Nephron is a filtration unit of kidney. Kidney का एक filtration unit है, right? So हर kidney के अंदर ऐसे बहुत सारे filtration units होते हैं which are called nephrons and they all are closely packed together. बहुत सारे nephrons are very close to each other. Okay. Now see here, the front part, the topmost part of the nephron is a Bowman's capsule. ठीक है, so क्या होता है, initially the blood along with nitrogenous waste enters into the nephron. Now the function of nephron is to reabsorb glucose, amino acids, salts and water. So अगर ये important substances हमारे यूरिन में आ गए हैं तो इनको रीएब्जॉर्ब करना ये काम है हमारे नेफ्रॉन का. Students, just to remind you that the function of small intestine is to absorb the digested material from the food. But if any material is not absorbed during that time, then it will be reabsorbed here in the nephron. So what all things are reabsorbed? Glucose, amino acids, salts and water. These are selectively reabsorbed. अब students, कितना water reabsorb होगा इस nephron में, that depends on how much excess water there is in the body. Okay, how much excess water there is in the body. If there is lot of excess water in the body, then the reabsorption will be less. So ultimately reabsorption के बाद here we have all the waste liquid in the collecting duct which is called the urine. So this urine eventually it goes into, from collecting duct through the ureter, it goes into urinary bladder. तो यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में यूरिन स्टोर होता है, और जब यूरिनरी ब्लैडर इज कंप्लीटली फिल्ड, सी आवर यूरिनरी ब्लैडर इज मस्क्यूलर, means it is under our nervous control, right? So it is under our control. We can control our urine, but ultimately when it gets filled, then from the urinary bladder the urine will go out of the body through urethra. So this is how the urine is formed in our body, and this is the function of nephron. अब students ये जो diagram है, it's very simple. I'll just show you. So whenever you have to make a Bowman's capsule, whenever you have to make a nephron, first of all you have to make a Bowman's capsule first. So this is the Bowman's capsule, and then you have to write, remember this, 2USI. This is to C. I repeat, 2USI to C. So first I am making here 2. So this is the 2 that I have made. Okay, then we have the U. Right, let's continue. This is the U. Then we have S, and ultimately this is the I. So 2USI, that is to C. So this is the collecting duct. Fine. Now here in the Bowman's capsule we have a branch. These are lots of blood capillaries, a mass of blood capillaries, and the mass of blood capillaries is called glomerulus, and this is called Bowman's capsule. And here is a renal artery, and renal artery, a branch of renal artery, and here is the same thing. Now from here take the renal artery, all the arteries are interconnected to veins. Fine. So here also here you complete the entire diagram, and now it's time to label this figure. So now I'm labeling it. So this is what you get after labeling. So to make nephron, remember this, to C, 2USI. Having taught this, now let's move further. Now coming to the topic, how excretion occurs in plants. Now students, plants use completely different strategies compared to you and me, compared to animals. Oxygen is a waste for plants. They remove this oxygen through photosynthesis. Also they get rid of water through transpiration. But today we are focusing on other waste. दूसरे जो waste हैं plants के, वो कैसे remove होते हैं. So students, first of all, you just mark here, some of the waste the plants store in their dead cells, and also some of the waste they store in the leaves which are about to fall. जो leaves गिरने वाले होते हैं ना, वो अपना waste उसके अंदर store कर देते हैं. तो जब वो leaves गिर जाते हैं, then the waste also gets removed. Also they remove the waste. Also they store many of the waste in cellular vacuoles. Vacuoles are the empty spaces in the cell where they store the waste. Right? Students, gum resins जो हमें plant में से मिलता है, जो हमारे लिए बहुत useful है, but for plants it is a waste. So other waste products are stored in the form of resins and gums, especially the plants that have old xylem. And plants also excrete some waste substances into the soil around them. So I repeat, some of the waste they store in the dead cells, some of the waste they store in the leaves which are about to fall. They also store the waste in cellular vacuoles. Resins and gums that we get from plants is their waste. And finally, some of the waste substance they excrete in the soil which is around them. So here we complete the topic of excretion both in plants as well as in animals. Okay, so please go through it. Especially this topic is very important, that is nephron. Okay, thank you.